just got pulled over just now. 7:24 right now. I'm on the way to work. I decided to put the GoPro on. I got a GoPro. Let me show y'all. Y'all see that on my head? I got a GoPro on my head, man. I know the person who said it, but shout out to you for saying get a GoPro. I already knew in my head I was gonna get a GoPro, but you just made me get it faster. It just came more faster now that you said get a GoPro. But I got a GoPro now, so we finna be doing the POV, you know what I'm saying? Doing the POV shit, man. It finna be sliding and stuff like that, man. So I got this camera just, you know what I'm saying, just for when I'm drifting and shit like that, man. When I go to the track and stuff like that. Man, it's a good investment, I feel like. Great investment. I'm having this big ass phone on my head. In our last video, I had this big ass phone on my head. Got that phone head mount from Amazon and shit. But yeah, man, I went ahead and got the GoPro, man, cause I wasn't feeling that one. It was uncomfortable. This big ass phone won't even stay up. It's heavy as hell. It's a good morning though, man. I like waking up at 7, man. Waking up early is the best thing. Even if you go to sleep late. Even if you go to sleep at like 1 to 2 in the morning, waking up at 7, it still feel good. Like, I don't know. 11 and 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, that shit ain't, I don't like that shit. I feel like half of my day is wasted. I was just in second for a long time. All right, man. It's currently 9:05. As I can see, I can't see. No, it's currently 9:05. Ooh, big get loose as I just body. What the? That was the best one yet, boy. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one. Ooh. I love this car, bro. Like, if you're looking at the IS300 and you get it, oh, I just passed 12. When you get it, weld that diff. I'm gonna encourage everybody from now on to weld that diff. Only if you trying to, you know what I'm saying? Only for certain reasons. You know what I'm saying? Don't just go out welding your diff and you just a regular civilian trying to drive, you know what I'm saying? Let me turn the music down. Just got pulled over just now. I can't see that. But just got pulled over. He said my back lights is out. So my tail light. They was on when I left the driveway. Or was it? Yeah, man, I guess I just found out that my tail lights was out from getting pulled over. I was wondering, cause bro, I'm like, bro, that lights just came out of nowhere. I'm like, bro, them look like 12 lights. Them look like 12 PD lights. And this nigga just riding my ass. So I'm like, bro, I hope you don't write me a ticket, bro. I don't need a ticket for no tail lights, bro. Just let me go, please. I'll be a good boy. Please, let me go, please. Please. Yo, he probably looking at me in his car like, what the fuck?
All right, man. I'm gonna give you a warning, all right? Okay. If you get stopped again, you probably will. You can tell him that you already got stopped, but I would ride with your hazard lights on. Where are you going?
I'm going right home.
Home?
Yeah,
Is it
right
far?
around the corner. No, it's like 5 minutes.
All right, just ride with your hazard lights on because your lights are out.
All right.
I don't want someone to come up and smack in the back of you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good night.
All right, you too, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Thank you for the warning. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you for that warning, sir. If you ever watched this video, and I'm sorry if you watched this video for what you seen in it, but thank you, sir, for giving me that warning. Hey, man, you know we not going home, right? Did you really think we was? Sorry, officer. Sorry, officer. Sorry, officer. Can't do that one. No, sir. Damn, my lights out, though. I do want to see what he talking about, though, bruh. Let me see what bro talking about. He said my shit just straight out. My shit is out. My shit is out, though. I don't know how. Them shits was just on earlier. I guess the water. Let me see if my hazards work. If my hazards work, we go. Oh yeah, we straight. My hazards work. So that means we still good to drive. Okay. From what I think. We just gonna drive with the hazards on. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, that pullover just adds content to the video, man. How y'all doing this night, this evening, this morning, whenever y'all watching this video? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Is that 12? Ooh, he flashing somebody else. That's bro. Is that dude? They outside getting niggas tonight, and I don't want to be out. I'm gonna take my ass home. I'm just trying to go around the block real quick, man. Hey man, y'all ain't gotta stay too far back, man. Y'all acting, these niggas acting like I'm a plague or something, nigga. My hazards on, but damn, nigga, ain't nothing wrong with me. Ain't no wrong. Yeah, damn. Nigga 60 feet back instead of 6. Is that a Porsche? Hey, bro, get in your lane, bro. You smack me, I'm gonna get one of those you got. We might be able to go to the spot over there now. Just might be able to. Oh, yeah, we might be able to go over there right now. Right now. And I'll take my black ass home, man. Oh, there's no police right there. Let him. PD is out tonight. I'm scared of them guys. Then we about to spin it a bit like this. Dog in this bitch, oh my gosh. Woo, shit, buddy. Damn it. You ever seen an auto car stall? Well, today's the day. Woo! Good save. Good save. How my tread looking? No, yeah, we good. Yeah, we good. Nah, that shit right there, damn near ball. Yo, what the fuck did I just do? Oh. The damn fans came on loose. Thank God. Whew. I thought I blew a rod or something, bro. I'm gonna need some new fans now. Thank God it ain't no rod or piston or nothing, boy. I thought I done knocked something loose. It sounded like something was knocking, boy. I got scared. Something just popped up and said maintenance required though. But hey man, it's finna be the end of this video. We done did enough sliding. We done let the car reheat. The fans done broke. We done got pulled over. It'll been a lot of unfortunate events this video, but Hey man, that's how I go. I'll see y'all next video, man. I love y'all. Y'all stay safe out there. Stay on y'all P's and Q's. Weld your diff if you know what you're doing with your welded diff. And yeah, I love y'all. No cap.